In this module, I'll show you how to order author's copies of your book. Author's copies are the copies of books that Amazon allows you to order as the author of that book at the cost of printing. So you get to order it cheaper and then you sell it at whatever price you so choose. So to do this, you would have to be logged into your Amazon KDP account. By the way, as you can see, our book is now live here on Amazon. And just like I explained, everything here is also there. So because these other ones are not live, I cannot order the copies, but I will use this as an experiment. So when you want to order author's copies, all you just simply need to know is that the button to order author's copies is always here. Yeah. And also for that hardcover as well, the button to order author's copies is here. So click on this that says order author's copies, and it will bring you to this page where you can now see the information about this book. You can type in the quantity you want. In this case, you can upload, you can order up to 999 copies per time. So let's say I want to order 5 copies of this book. You do that, you type in 5, then marketplace of your order. This part refers to the particular marketplace you are purchasing this book from. So if you are in the US, you use .com. If you're in the UK, you use .co.uk. If you're in Canada, .ca, Australia, Germany, Spain, France, and Italy. So these are the major marketplaces where um, authors' copies can be shipped from. So you have to select any marketplace that is closest to you in case where you live is not listed here. So let's assume I'm going to be selecting .com. Once you do that, you click on add to cart and you allow it to process. So this is now the summary of the book. This book costs 6.54 to order as the author of this book. So when you multiply this now by the total quantity I'm ordering, which is 5, I will get 32.7 as the price for my order. If I want to proceed with this order, I just click on proceed to checkout. That's not my business. So when you brought here, you can choose to activate Prime or not. So in this case, I'm not selecting that. I'll click on no thanks and then go to where I'll make the purchase. Ensure that your payment method is set and ready. Then you'll be brought to where you can um, select the shipping type. In this case, my particular card details is expired, so I cannot proceed with this. But this is all you just need to know. Set up your payment method, set up the delivery address, and come to the item and shipping where you choose your delivery time. There's the expedited delivery and then there is the regular or normal delivery. So depending on how much time you have, you can do that. This is especially useful for those in first world countries because the shipping fee for third world countries are usually way higher. Sometimes 2 or 3 to 4 or 5 times the price of the book itself. So that is how to order author's copies. Once you have checked out, the items will be in your cart, and the moment you process it from here, the money will be taken from your card, and then you can wait for your order to be delivered. Cheers.